Grandma! Welcome home!
I was feeling so lonely, but now my heart is so full.
Mom, can we help Grandma clean the garden?
I will make some fresh juice for my darlings. Just cut right here, see? We want to give the healthy flowers room to grow. Here you go, you worked so hard.
Wow, can I touch it?
Yes, darlings, be very careful.
Are we going to take the boat now?
Here is a present for you.
It's so beautiful! Thank you, Mom!
Fresh pottery for your home. Which variety is best for making sushi?
This new harvest from the Northern Valley is perfectly sweet and sticky.
Thank you very much. It looks wonderful. The ocean brings us such wonderful gifts, doesn't it? This one looks wonderful. Just enough for my family, please.
You always pick the best ones. Coming right up.
Are we having a giant feast tonight?
Hello! I'm looking for some fresh tofu and some of that red miso we like. Of course! This batch of red miso just arrived this morning. It's perfect for a savory soup.
Have a wonderful dinner.
Thank you. See you soon.
Mom, it's so hot. Can I get some shaved ice?
We worked so hard cleaning the garden. I think we both deserve a treat.
It's so cold and sweet. The best ice ever. Now I feel much better, Mom.
I'm glad, sweetie.
Thank you for waiting for us, big guy.
Listen to that crisp sound. It means they are perfectly fresh.
Wow, it smells just like toasted nuts.
Keep grinding, sweetie. You are our best little helper.
What?
It's the best we've ever made, isn't it, Grandma? Because we had our best helper today.